Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me iPhone 16. Now I'm gonna show you how to use in iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro. In front of me iPhone 16 Pro. How to use background noises feature. So background noises feature. This is the feature that can help you. It can help you to relax, to be calmer, to be focused. For example, if you want to focus, you can use this feature too. You can use it when you're when you use normal speaker or when you're in AirPods. So to do that, open settings, then scroll down and find accessibility. Maybe you don't need to scroll down, but if you have a big text for font size, so maybe you should. So then scroll down and find here background noises. Oh, so sorry. Scroll down, find here hearing, then audio and visual, and here we have background sounds. Cool. So it's here. So and we should set up several points. So firstly, we should select the sound. For example, which sound you wanna hear right now: rain, ocean, maybe stream or night, or fire, or maybe balance noise or bright noise. For example, I wanna hear the night sounds. I really like it, and enable this feature. So, and this is the volume of the sounds you will hear. So I suggest you to make it, for example, noisier, or so reduce the volume. I even suggest you to reduce it up to 1% max. And for example, the same when you use it with media. But you can set it up for your preferences. I don't know in which station you need it, so maybe you will should change this. You can stop sounds when it's locked, for example. It doesn't work. Oh, okay, it works. And when we unlocking our device, it's not playing again. So it's a very good idea if you want to use it every day or just usually or just normal life if you want to use it. So I suggest you to open the control panel, click plus button, then click edit control, then scroll down. Here we are in accessibility, then here in accessibility, and here we will find our feature. So background sounds is here. Click on it. Of course, we can change it. Wait a while. We can change it. So we can change the size of this widget, and by clicking on it, we can enable it or disable. We can press and hold it to change the volume and change the type of noises. Okay, we can change it to the rain, to the stream, for example, or to the campfire. And cool. That's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.